Hi everybody, Rosina Bignell here. Welcome to the fourth and final session of this video series about how to get your Build Redirects account set up right and some of the tricks of the trade to keep in mind while you are using Build Redirects. So far we've talked about setting up your account, making tags, setting up your domains, and setting up your offers. In this session we're going to talk about setting up links. So if you don't know what that means, don't worry, that's why we're here. And if you don't have a Build Redirects account yet, there's a link below. Go ahead and click on it and create your account and then come back here. If you want to go to the beginning of the series, I'll put a link down there for that too. And as you know, I first heard about Build Redirects from the Partner with Anthony program, so I've also included a link for that. So anyway, the next thing you want to do is create your links. A link is basically connects a URL to an offer. It says to the world, when you see this URL, forward them to that offer. So create a link for anything you want to track or control the traffic for. So when you place an ad, create a link for it. When you want to show a link for something on your website, create a link for it. When you buy a solo ad, create a link for it. If you're selling solo ads, create a link for it. When you put a link in your autoresponder emails, create a link for it. There's an unending list of things to create a link for. Some links you'll use for a very long time, others you'll only use for a short time, but you'll always have them so that even if 2 or 3 months later somebody clicks on a link, they'll still go to a relevant offer for them, even though you may have changed the specific offer that it goes to. So go to the links page by clicking on the links in the menu, obviously, and that will take you to a page like this, and you can see that I have a lot of different links and more than 5 pages, so you can use that to navigate through your links, and then you can use the search also to narrow down the links that you're looking at for if you only want to look at the ones that are for YouTube, you could search for that. So we're going to create a new link, so we'll click on this new link button, and that will take us over to here. And so the first thing you'll do, I already started this, but you'll give your link a name, and we'll just say newsletter exam. Then you're going to choose what link type. So a simple redirect link just takes your link from one URL to one offer. A split test link takes you from one URL to several offers, and it lets you choose how much of the traffic goes to each one of them, so that you can split test them and decide which one is working better for you. Those are the two that you'll use most of all. The ordered link funnel works well if you're like a solo ad provider and you want it to go through several links that your clients have given you. And a random link funnel lets it go randomly between all the offers that you have on there. So we're going to pick a split test link, and so I can show you how that works. And like I said, the ones you'll use most often are the simple redirect link and split test link, especially in the beginning. So most of these things are more advanced and you don't really need to worry about them. One that I do use often is to cloak a link, and when you do that, it keeps the URL that you're going to give it, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. It's showing that URL in the address bar instead of the URL of the offer. So next we're going to give it some tags, and we're going to say, like, okay, this one's for a newsletter, and it's an example, so we'll call it an example, put it on an example tag. And again, enable retargeting is for more advanced, and the variables are for more advanced, so don't worry about those for now. So the next thing you want to do is add your domain. So when you click on the add domains, you can pick whichever domain you want to use. You can use the one that Build Redirects gives you, the gobrlink.com one, or you can use one of your own. The ones I use most is the gorosinabignall.com. And then we can say example newsletter. Now this is what's going to be in the address part of your URL, and it's going to be it needs to be only letters and numbers and slashes. You can put a slash in there. And usually it can be lowercase or uppercase, but something memorable is a good idea. Usually memorable, doesn't always, it just depends on what you're using it for. You can add more than one domain, so I can say, well, I want it also if it goes to click.rosinasmarketinghelp.com. I also want that to be example newsletter. Okay. So those are what your URLs are going to be. We'll talk about that more in a little bit. And then you're going to add an offer. You can add as many offers as you want to in a split test link. And in the other ones, you can add as many as you want. So I'll just pick some here. There's Build Redirects $1 offer trial page. And maybe I want it to go to the Build Redirects or ClickFunnels 14-day trial, and maybe I want to have it go to the, let's go down here and pick the IIC free book version 1. We'll just pick 3 random offers out of all my offers there. And so that's going to be where the person who comes to this URL that we've created goes to. Most of this, again, is a little bit more advanced. Now, when we want to split up, except for this last part, this is the percentage of the traffic that's going to go to each link. So we might want 20% to this link, and 40% to that link, and 40% to the third link. Or we can click this reset all button, and it will make it divide equally between the 3 offers. So now it says 33% go to this first offer, 33% to the second offer, and 34% to the third offer, because you have to have 100. And 3 33s is only 99, so the last one gets an extra bit. So, and then we'll want to click Create Link, and it will bring up your links. You do want to make sure that you have your offers active. They do need, you can leave them in there but turn them off so they're not being used by changing that active to off. So here we've created our link, and we can see that the name is the newsletter example link. It's a simple redirect link. A simple redirect link and a split test link are handled the same, so they're both called simple redirect links once you get here. And then it tells us what our links are. So we said http://go.rosinabignall.com/example newsletter is going to go to one of these offers, and click.rosinamarketinghelp.com/example newsletter is also going to go to one of these. So you can just highlight one of them and copy them and then hand it out to whoever, or put it on a page, or put it into some text that you're sending someone, whatever. Put it in your rotator or in your thank you page to go to whatever you need it to go to. And then it tells you what are the offers and how much traffic each one of them are getting, and how many clicks have come into them, and how many unique clicks. Total clicks and unique clicks are very important. So now if we take and we put this URL, the go.rosinabignall.com/example newsletter, and we can see that it now goes to, when Google gets done deciding that it's a URL, we can see that now it goes to build redirects/WP/link. So I hope it helps you out. If you haven't signed up for Build Redirects yet, again, there's a link below. Make sure you sign up for your account, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I hope there will be more videos coming once I can get them made. So thanks. Bye-bye.